there, I'm Kristina, and today I'm going to show you how I did this oil painting right here in my garden. I have so many beautiful sunflowers growing right now, and I just had to take advantage and make this colorful oil painting on plein air right in my own garden. So stay tuned and see all the steps. I have a time-lapse video that I will narrate for you of my painting process. I get a head start on all of my paintings by brushing burnt sienna paint on my canvas. I do this in batches so they are dry when I'm ready to paint. I start oil paintings with the darkest colors and work my way up to light, as you can see as I paint this flower center and the petals. With oil painting, it's difficult to clean the brushes, so I have one brush that I'm using with burnt umber and a separate brush I'm using for the yellows. I begin blocking in the shapes of the leaves with the middle green color I see in them. This makes them look flat, and I will fix this by adding light and shadow. I add a light green with a fair amount of blue in the mix to show the areas of the leaves facing the sky which have the blue sky reflection in them. Then I go one step lighter for the very top leaf highlights. I add a little red and burnt umber to the original green mix to make a darker green to paint in the shadows of the leaves. Now you can see the leaves and the stalks have a three-dimensional form. I choose a darker purple background because in my scene behind the canvas in my neighbor's yard, you can see lots of dark shadows. Also, purple and yellow are opposite on the color wheel, so I was thinking that purple would make the yellow pop. I carefully go around and knead it up to the flowers and leaves. As I was out in my garden painting this, I saw lots of bees buzzing around the sunflowers and a jet black butterfly. It was so cool to see. I can't wait to Google it to find out what kind of butterfly that was. It was about the size of a monarch, but very black. Stay tuned and let's feed my hummingbirds next. I just made some fresh hummingbird juice. Boil 1 part sugar, 4 parts water, and I only make it in little batches like that. You can see it's not very full because I change the nectar out every week and I don't like to waste it. So that's about how much my hummingbirds will drink in a week, maybe a little less. But you can see one up on the wire there. Oh, did you see it fly away? They saw me, they're waiting, they're like, "Mama, get us our nectar." So anyway, let's go hang it up for them. Good morning, sunflowers. Thank you for joining me in painting this oil painting on plein air in my garden today. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more painting videos.